Example 15. F of x equals to secant of sine of e to the x to the whole square. I can write it in this form, where the outermost function is this 2. 2 is the outermost function for this whole function, for this whole expression. So first to deal with the 2, and then with the green one, and then with the yellow one, and then this one, and then the pink one. So its derivative is, which is f prime of x. First to calculate for the outermost function, which is this 2. It is like x to the 2, so just apply the power rule here. My f prime of x is 2 into secant of sine of e to the x to the whole 2 minus 1. And then times the derivative of the second outermost function, which is this green one. So secant theta equals to secant times tangent of sine of e to the x. Then the derivative of the third outermost function, which is this yellow one, derivative of sine is cos of e to the x. And then this one, derivative of e to the x is e to the x. And then the pink one, derivative of x is 1. That's all. It is a composite function with the composition of 5 functions. So first to take the derivative of the outermost function, which is 2. Its derivative is 2 into secant of sine of e to the x to the whole 2 minus 1. And then the derivative of the second outermost function, which is this green one. You have to do one by one. So derivative of secant is secant times tangent. And put this whole part as it is. And then times the derivative of this yellow one, which is the third outermost function. So derivative of sine theta is cos theta. So derivative of sine is cos. Put e to the x as it is. And then once you do with the yellow one, you have to pick this part. Within this part, the outermost function is this one, e, not x. Derivative of e to the x is e to the x. And then the derivative of the innermost function, which is this pink one. So derivative of x is 1. So at the end, I got this kind of expression. This is my final derivative of f of x.